As Ian Francis Jamieson walked into the Bendigo Supreme Court this morning, a jury was being empanelled for what was to be his trial. But less than an hour later, he pleaded guilty to the murders of Mary and Peter Lockhart. Mr Jamieson had already pleaded guilty to the murder of Mary's son, Greg Holmes. Outside court, family members expressed their relief at not having to sit through a trial.
Shocked us all, actually, I suppose. We were resolved ourselves for the next 2 weeks, and all of a sudden it's changed, and we're all very happy.
At a committal hearing last year, a court heard Mr Jamieson came to blows with his neighbour Greg Holmes following an argument over a gate which had been left open. It happened at a Logan property near Wedderburn in October 2014. There had also been a history of disputes over dust on a dirt track that bordered their properties. Mr Jamieson was accused of stabbing the 47-year-old war veteran to death and later shooting Greg's mother, Mary Lockhart, and her husband, Peter Lockhart, who lived over the road. Mr Jamieson was arrested after a 4-hour siege.
Doesn't make any sense. Absolutely. And it'll never make any sense. We'll never really have any answers to it.
In memory of their loved ones, family members wore blue wren brooches.
Mum loved blue wrens, and
so that was our talisman.
all the girls have got a blue wren badge.
A pre-sentence hearing will be held on April 21st, with Justice Elizabeth Hollingsworth saying if there's no factual disputes, she expects to hand down a sentence the next day. A heartbroken family looking for closure following an 18-month ordeal.
How do you hope they're remembered, all three of them?
With love. We'll never forget them.
Sarah Lawrence, Win News.